Open house Sunday 5:15 1 to 3 p.m. You'll enjoy this lakefront community. Located in Round Hills Lake Point community. This beautiful large home is nicely situated near Leeter Lake, which is large enough for your kayaks, canoes and small motor boats. Enter this stone-fronted beauty through the lovey front porch and into a foyer with oak flooring, 2-story ceiling, and an arched stairway with balcony overlook. There is also an arch from the hallway to kitchen, a powder room, and a coat closet. The living room has a wide entry area with west/W carpet and features a 2-sided gas fireplace. The dining room fireplace is on the other side. The dining room has floating shelves and a large chandelier. The dining room opens into the kitchen with a breakfast room, beautiful 42 inches hickory cabinets, black beaded glass backsplash, eat-in bar, newest cooktop, Bosch dishwasher and granite countertops. The kitchen doesn't stop there, it also has a cinder sink west/disposal, island, wall oven, recessed lights, and a large pantry. There is a family room adjoining the kitchen that leads to a large mudroom and the door to the garage. There is also a closet in this area. The garage features a wall of high-end workbenches and cabinetry. There is a door from the garage to the outbuilding and yard. Upstairs there are 4 bedrooms. 1 and 2 share a full bath, the third has a full private bath of its own, and the gorgeous primary suite offers 2 walk-in closets and a luxurious bathroom west/ceramic tile, a soaking tub, double sink and separate shower. This home is never ending. It also has an in-law suite. This features a kitchenette with stainless farm sink, fridge, recessed lighting, and a large den/bedroom. This community offers a park, a large green area for the kids to play ball, and boat slip rentals for your canoes and kayaks and dock.